Okay, so we're going to continue now with the Adafruit analog to digital converter ADS1015. Showing here is the wire from the logic analyzer, which is connected to channel 1 on the logic analyzer, which is going to monitor the data ready output from the analog to digital converter. So the analog to digital converter is set to default 1600 sample per second. And so now we're going to change it to 128 sample per second. With this, just by changing this, adding this one line of code here in the provided C++ program by Adafruit. All right, so we're going to go ahead and upload the sketch. It's already compiled, and this is the continuous sketch provided by Adafruit. And all we have to do now is just to look at the logic analyzer, and you see that the logic analyzer now displays 129 hertz for the output data rate. And we can also look at the logic signal, and we go ahead and acquire on the logic analyzer, and this is done on channel 1, and we can see that the output from the ADC ready signal is shown here, and the ready signal is actually a active low signal. So every time the ready output goes low, from a high transition to low, the data will be ready or will be available to the microcontroller, and as done in the program. So this is used to trigger the interrupt on pin 3.